What's going on, YouTube and cryptocurrency family? My name is Harry and I am the Crypto Vet. Thank you for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. All the people pushing that little button down there and supporting me, subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys so much. I hope you really been liking the content. I'm trying to make it more streamlined, more consistent, and keep everything updated. But doing so, I had to fix my PC, and right now we're testing the liquid cooling on it, and then we'll probably overclock the i9 here soon, and hopefully I should have a seamless stream and no problems whatsoever. But let's go ahead and get started here in the charts, and we'll go to CoinMarketCap real quick because I wanted to jump down here and show you something. SushiSwap, which very questionable crypto right now at the moment, is still going up. Please don't buy SushiSwap right now. There's too much bad things that could happen. Also, something coming up right now that I noticed 20% is DFI money. This is exactly like Yearn Finance, and I think Yearn Finance is currently at like 28,000. But this one is very, very similar. So if you're buying into this, make sure you have an exit strategy, and you just, if you're at 4,000 and you're expecting this to copy Yearn, exit at 30. We don't know where it's going to go to. It could go to 100,000, could go to 250,000, a million like they expect, but it also could not. So just be very, very careful. Do your own research. Make sure. I just wanted to bring this to the attention that if you do have that kind of money, you could drop 4,000 right now and buy one DFI money. And if it follows like Yearn, it'll be worth $35,000 in like a month. So just throwing it out there. But as far as everything else, small red, small green. Currently the top three are showing a little bit of pullback just below. Not very, very much. But okay, so here on the Bitcoin weekly chart, the main thing that I wanted to show you was I keep bringing up this this weekly moving average. Now this chart here has a bunch of my other candlestick scripts and things that I use for my daily trades and things like that. But the reason I bring this up is last time we were in a bull rally, we've touched this moving average and continued on. This is on the weekly, guys. So if we zoom in here, we've come down to touch it, and then came back up again, right? And now we're coming to either touch it and it's right on it, or we're going to bounce up. So we know that after the halving that Bitcoin typically is going to go into a bull rally, of which we did not see when we only hit 12,000. We've broken out of a long downtrending resistance that is extended from here to there. We've broken out of it, and now we are above the moving average, which anytime we have been above it, we tend to stay above it. So there's so many bullish things going on right now. So the scenario that is likely is that Bitcoin can either take off right here and start its way up for all-time highs. It breaks down, fills the CME gap, comes up again, and then goes, or it just goes now, right? So there's only three directions it can do: sideways, up, or down. I think it's about a 25% chance that we are going to go up and never come back down from here. That's still pretty good odds in my book, 1 in 4. Here's about a 50% shot that it's like a little bitty bear trap. We're going to come up. We're going to come up to about 10.6, 10.7, try to hit 11, maybe not, get rejected. We come all the way down, fill that gap. We get bought up quick, some sell off because people don't know what to do. Bitcoin's under 8,000, whatever. And then from there, we go up. I think that's like a 50% more likely than us just dropping down now, filling the gap, going up, versus just shooting up from here as well. So showing you these boxes and what tends to happen is when we go into sideways consolidation, whether it was right here, we trade sideways, volatility goes away, and then all of a sudden it explodes into something. And this one, we exploded up. Right over here, we exploded up. This one, long time exploded up. This one was a long time went down, long time went down. So I bring this up because here I show this box of where we are in bullish territory, bouncing off a very crucial moving average. Well, let's go ahead and come to here. This is the daily. I know the color looks a little bit weird, but this is since our first rally where we came up to 11,000 and then all the way up to 12 and beyond. And we traded sideways, this little Bart Simpson pattern. We had our dump here, and now we're trading in this little sideways pattern. Well, this sideways pattern is in another sideways pattern, which is in another, and another, and another, and another, all the way back to Bitcoin's end. So we're expecting a rally of this proportion in our times. That is going to put us at very, very crazy numbers. I'm going to have to shut this off. I have to probably go to the log scale here, but let's see from here to here. You know, let's just mimic that rally. You know, that's still putting us at 28,000, a more realistic price target than the 100, 200,000 crazy things, which, you know, definitely possible, but most likely further down the line when I guarantee you Bitcoin's not even paired with USD anymore because USD is garbage and it doesn't exist at the point that it's up there. So Bitcoin will just be worth whatever Bitcoin is worth as far as other asset pairs. And maybe at that point it'll be Bitcoin to gold since it is so compared to it as far as holding a store of value. But so if this is to copy and we bring all of this here and repeat it again, that still puts us up to 30,000. The time frame is going to be from here to at least May of 2021. You know, so before we would see that realistic rally. So it's still going to put us till next year. But if you invest money now, you're going to get good returns in the long run. So the reason I bring this up is because of those scenarios and those weighted ranges. Let's just go to XRP and tie all this together. We've had that same pattern, consolidation, we came down. Well, is this the bottom? I definitely think it's the bottom for XRP. If we go to Bitcoin here, and let me just trash all these things now because we don't need them. But if we zoom all the way in, we can see that we're coming in and we're holding steady right on a major support moving average. I think that we may have some wicks going down and below, but they will be very, very short, and we will overall take off and start the next rally. And it's not going to just be, you know, shoot to 10,000 or 20,000. It's just it'll build up and we'll have more of this on the up and down and continue maybe another Elliott wave here before we correct down. But this third wave would technically be the big wave here to actually go along with that theory. But that's the only reason I wanted to bring all this up is because, like, again, if you're scared to buy crypto right now, if 10,000 isn't good enough for you, then on Bitcoin, like, I mean, I don't know what to tell you. Why are you buying it then? That's not good enough for you at that price. And then for a quarter to buy one XRP, I'm telling you, I'm just a doctor/idiot, right? This is not financial advice, but I bet if you bought $100 worth of XRP right now, which is just under a quarter, say you bought it at a quarter, a year from now, you will be worth well more than $100. But that's going to do it for this video. I'm going to keep working on the PC, try to get all that stuff set up. And then if you have any questions, link in the description to go to the Discord where you can message me personally and I can discuss charts, upload things. Tons of people in the community have already answered lots of questions, already put up certain guides for different things. I'm probably going to be looking into a Monero CPU mining build only because a buddy of mine is curious on it, and I have an extra Intel i7-10700 processor I can burn up on it. So, but lots of good things to go through. I'll also be streaming live on Twitch because I love video games, so I'll be playing things like Warzone, Fall Guys, Surgeon Simulator. So BullMonkeys actually put up a video on his channel, and I'll put a link to that as well, where it's me playing Surgeon Simulator with them. So he titled it Surgeon Simulator 2 with Real Surgeon. Legit. So I'll put all that kind of stuff on there, but I didn't want the Twitch thing to just be video games because I said I like doing both when I'm actually trading at the same time. So, you know, if you have questions about certain just technical analysis or your trending patterns and you just want to discuss that stuff, I said I will stop playing video games and go to that because I really enjoy that a lot too. So if I can help spread that knowledge out to everybody, I'd be very humbled by that. So that's going to do it for today. I said I will catch you guys in the next one.